Okay guys, so suddenly I just got so bored that I decided I'm gonna go out of the house. At the same time I'm gonna vlog. So yeah, it's been all new to me. I'm looking for the keys, the car keys. This here. So yeah, I'm gonna go out and see how the world is. It's really cold lately, and yeah, so nothing to say. Ooh, so bright, so bright, so bright. There you go. So, once this not closing. So yeah, it's really good outside. You know, you see the sky. It's really great. But I've been staying inside the house, and it's kind of wearing me down. It's like I hate the garbage around here. So yeah, it's making me feel low. So let's go out. I'm gonna go to Bunnings. I'm gonna try to update, get some stuffs, get some bolts for my rig. I have a rig there for a hard case, because I'm gonna put all my streaming stuff there. I've started filming yesterday, but I haven't finished it yet. Also, I'm using my shoes here. We got this from a sale somewhere in Sunshine. It's a Rip Curl one. It's a size 9, but the width is like painful. I hope if I break this in, it's just gonna feel fine. But yeah, check this out. So yeah, that's my shoes. It's a Rip Curl. Kind of like it. There you go. So yeah, gotta go to the car. Also, I enrolled to the gym, but I haven't been there. I have a 7-day trial for the gym, but I haven't been there. I need to go there. I need to go there tonight. Yeah. Also, I made another YouTube channel. It's called Drive Diaries. I've mentioned it before. It's more of me driving and cussing and doing a lot of stuff while driving. So I hope you guys see it. I'm not gonna share the link because I want you guys to find out about it. But other than that, yeah, it's already active. I have around 50 videos already there, but only a few has been posted or like active because they're scheduled. But as of now, I need to go. And I just realized, it's all blown out. Sorry about that, guys. Let's just fix that up. So I just realized that yeah, there's jam donuts around here. Yeah, would be good to get one Saturday. I really love jam donuts. I'll see how it goes. People are there in the donuts. So jam donuts, everybody's here, so it's nice. I just realized it's Saturday. I should get some. Yeah, so I got myself a bag of donuts, and yeah, it's gonna be a good day because I really like to get these donuts on the weekend. I keep forgetting, so now, yeah, already did. Bunnings, sausage, sizzle. Yeah. Happens all the time. Every time I go to Bunnings, I try to buy these little stuffs like screws and everything else what I need. I end up buying other stuff. So right now I bought charcoal, but we need charcoal because I'll be subahing. So yeah. Whoa, on my way. Oh, whoa. Let's try. Okay, so on my way home, I just checked out the COVID testing center there, and they cleared it off. So they're not doing any COVID testing anymore in that place. So I don't know. Oh, freaking! There's a bird. So yes, there's no COVID testing in my place, and like that doesn't matter to all you guys. I just saw it. You know, I just want to say something. I'm one of those guys who are gearheads and like wants to get the new camera, the best camera in town, and then ends up getting lazy after. So yeah, I used to have the A7 III, and also I have the A9, and I like those cameras, but I still have my A9. I sold my A7 III. I got this A7C. I like it because it's a flip screen, and the thing is, it's good for traveling because it's small, though it lacks some buttons. But yeah, I really like this camera for travel and everything else. And I got 24 megapixels of photo, and it's one of those cameras that's light, easy to carry. The only cons is if you're shooting photo, you go only up to 4,000, and some buttons are gone. But yeah, it's a functional camera. I really love this camera, but I was disappointed to selling it because I want to have them all. Yeah, that's the problem with us. We want to have everything. We want to have all the gears, the best gears in town, and you have the best one in front of you, but you still want to get more. So what happened to me was I got the FX3, and it's a pretty good camera. I like that it can shoot 10-bit and everything, and at the same time also it can do good 4K 60. It's a very good camera. Only problem is it's good for low light, and yeah, it's made really for videos, so it's around 12 megapixels. If you're gonna do photos with it, it's gonna be 12 megapixels. You won't enjoy it. So yeah, that's it. I have it there. I want to bring it around. It's a bit heavy, but yeah, I'm thinking if I'm going to take photos, I might as well get this, use this camera here, and if ever I'm going to just bash the camera everywhere and just throw it everywhere, I'd rather have this camera here. The only cons, or the only thing I think about when I'm shooting on this camera is I want to shoot 10-bit, so it's hard to edit, so I just go back to this camera. So this one is the perfect camera for me now, but I always try to force it and get FX3. I was even this close to selling this camera here, because I want to sell the FX3 also, and I want to sell this, and I want to get the A1, because the A1's going to have them all. Like the A1's good for photos, it's good for videos. The only cons is it doesn't have the flip screen, but I can live with it. It's a pretty good camera. It's everything, but it's so expensive. It's around 9,000, 10,000 Australian dollars. So yeah, it's a lot of money. So I might as well stick with this camera. This thing has done me good, and I use this as my webcam for my other. I mean, no, not webcam. Yeah, I use this for my webcam, but I use this as my dash cam for my other vlogs. So yeah, A7C it is. It's still the best camera for me. The lens, I have the Tamron 17 to 28. I want to get a prime, like a Tamron 20mm or a Sony. I want to get a small lens for this so that I can carry around. But as of now, yeah, let's just enjoy what we have. So yeah, I'm just sharing to you how gearhead I am, how things affect me, and it should affect me. It should even motivate me to shoot more with this camera. But yeah, I'll try my best to stick with this and not be a gearhead, because I've been a very bad gearhead. In the future, I might not have any money to buy new gears, and it's gonna affect me. But yeah, just blabbering here. It's nice to be outside, even though it's cold. In the house, it's so cold, man. Like, it's gloomy cold. You need to put on the heater, and the heat from the heater is not the same as the sun. So yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna end the vlog here now. I'm just gonna unload this stuff and try to install that thing I've done yesterday. Other than that, you take care, guys. Oh yeah, FX3. Nah, I'm gonna talk about it in another vlog. I really like the cage for that camera though. But yeah, so all you guys, just take care, enjoy your life, stay safe, goodbye, see ya. Forecast today is foggy. Well, this is foggy, mate. Check that out. Ooh, so cold and foggy. Yes, it's really foggy as early as now. Oh, it's kind of foggy today. Check that out. I have a face mask on. Ooh, it's foggy. Yeah. Yeah, I'm waiting for my laundry to dry, and I'm here at Kohl's, and you can check out. It's so foggy today, and it's gonna be foggy till this morning. So yeah, get ready. And I said I finished my vlog earlier. I look like shit now, but I need to take a shower yet. But just need to dry the laundry. That way we have dry, warm clothes later.